Hi, friend. This is Tina T. Willer from ConsciousMoneyAdvice.com. The following questions many of us have yes answers to, at least one or more of them. Are you broke? Or maybe your car is being repossessed. Or are you behind on your mortgage? Do you have to give away your pet because you can't afford him or her anymore? Is your wife or husband fed up? Are your children going mad? Do you sometimes feel like you are losing your mind? You don't have to become homeless. We have a sensible solution for you. It is not your fault, and we can help. Go to www.consciousmoneyadvice.com/bankruptcy for your free bankruptcy evaluation, the sensible solution. In addition to your free bankruptcy evaluation, you will also receive a free book, Repair Your Credit and Increase Your Score Fast. All of these gifts are waiting for you at www.consciousmoneyadvice.com/bankruptcy. Remember, it is not your fault.